What's up, currency confidants? Welcome back to another amazing episode on our journey towards financial mastery. Today, we're diving into the timeless classic, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. This book is a goldmine of wisdom, and we're about to uncover the top 5 most overlooked messages that can truly transform your financial mindset. So grab your notebooks and let's get started. Before we jump into these hidden gems, let's set the stage. Think and Grow Rich is much more than just a title. It's a blueprint for success. Napoleon Hill in this masterpiece outlines principles that have stood the test of time, guiding individuals towards financial abundance. But now let's explore some messages that might have slipped under the radar. Our first overlooked message is an absolute game changer: definite chief aim. Napoleon Hill doesn't just talk about vague desires for wealth. He urges us to craft a precise and compelling vision of our future. This isn't just a wish list, it's about identifying a singular burning purpose that drives every financial decision you make. Think of it as your financial GPS. If you don't have a destination, how can you plan the journey? So take a moment to reflect on your deepest desires. What does financial success mean to you? Is it freedom, security, or perhaps the ability to make a significant impact? Write it down with vivid detail. The more specific, the better. On a more personal note, when I started my journey, my definite chief aim was to create a life where I could provide for my family without financial stress. I envisioned a home filled with warmth, opportunities for my children, and the ability to support causes that are meaningful to me. This vision became my guiding star, shaping every financial decision I made. So here's your task, currency confidants. Define your definite chief aim. Describe it in detail. Immerse yourself in the vision and let it be the force that propels you forward. As you embark on this journey, remember, clarity is the compass that will lead you to the financial destination of your dreams. Write it down, commit to it, and watch how it transforms your financial mindset. Now let's dive into the next hidden gem from Think and Grow Rich on our path to financial mastery. Our second overlooked message is a truly fascinating one: visualization. Napoleon Hill introduces us to the power of mental imagery, urging us to create a vivid picture of our success in our minds. It's like painting the canvas of your financial future with the brushstrokes of your imagination. Now, visualization goes way beyond just daydreaming. It's a deliberate practice that taps into the subconscious mind. Close your eyes and imagine in intricate detail the life you aspire to live. Picture the successful entrepreneur, the comfortable home, or the philanthropist making a difference. Feel the raw emotions associated with these images, as if you've already achieved all of your goals. Your task is to incorporate visualization into your daily routine. Set aside a few minutes each day to immerse yourself in the mental picture of your success. Feel the vibes, embrace the achievement, and let it become a part of your subconscious reality. Visualization is a powerful tool that aligns your thoughts with your goals, paving the way for the manifestation of your financial dreams. So grab your mental paintbrush and start crafting the masterpiece of your financial success. Now let's dig into our third hidden gem, Mastermind Alliance. Napoleon Hill introduces a concept that's often overlooked but holds immense power in our financial journey. The idea is to surround ourselves with a group of like-minded individuals, creating a synergy that propels everyone towards success. Think of it as a group chat where the conversation is always and only about the success of the group members. Your network is not just a collection of contacts, it's your net worth multiplier. The Mastermind Alliance is about consciously choosing who you associate with, ensuring that your circle supports and amplifies your financial goals. Seek out individuals who inspire, challenge, and share a similar vision for success. At this point, you should assess your current network. Are you surrounded by individuals who uplift and inspire you? If not, it's time to intentionally build your Mastermind Alliance. Attend networking events, join groups with shared interests, and seek out mentorship opportunities. Remember, your success is intertwined with the success of those around you. Now we enter into our fourth hidden gem from the classic Think and Grow Rich: persistence. Napoleon Hill emphasizes a quality that is often underestimated but is absolutely crucial on the journey to financial success. Persistence is the unwavering commitment to your goals, even in the face of challenges and setbacks. Financial success is not a linear path. It's a series of peaks and valleys. Hill reminds us that it's not about avoiding obstacles but persisting through them. It's the ability to stay focused on your goals, regardless of the temporary roadblocks that may come your way. So embrace persistence as a guiding principle. When faced with financial challenges, view them not as roadblocks, but as opportunities to learn and evolve. Keep your eyes on the bigger picture, stay committed to your goals, and remember that setbacks are merely setups for your eventual comebacks. So, let's commit to the journey with persistence as our companion. Now stay tuned as we uncover the final hidden gem on our quest to financial mastery. The subconscious mind. Napoleon Hill introduces us to the incredible power that resides within our minds, specifically the subconscious. This is not just a philosophical concept. It's a practical tool that, when harnessed, can greatly influence our financial reality. Hill suggests that our subconscious mind is like a fertile garden, ready to grow whatever seeds we plant. If we fill it with positive affirmations, thoughts, and beliefs, it becomes a force multiplier for our financial goals. This goes beyond positive thinking. It's about actively programming your mind for success. Your task, currency confidants, is to become mindful of the thoughts you allow into your subconscious. Replace doubts and fears with affirmations of abundance and success. Visualize your financial goals as already achieved and let those images seep into your subconscious mind. This isn't wishful thinking, it's a deliberate practice that aligns your beliefs with your financial aspirations. So let's unlock the full potential of our subconscious minds and watch as it manifests our financial dreams. Now, as we conclude our exploration of Think and Grow Rich, remember that the combination of financial literacy and mindset is the key to true financial confidence. Stay empowered, stay focused, and let your subconscious mind be your greatest ally on this journey to financial mastery. Until next time, keep growing and stay confident.